Hello everyone, in front of me is XIAOMI Redmi A2 and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So first of all, you have to open your phone gallery, then go to contacts if you are not on this panel and select the number that you want to add this profile picture to. Once you open the contact, select edit and mark add photo. Now you can either take a photo or choose something from the gallery. I would like to pick something from my gallery, for example this one. Now you can customize it however you like, you can crop it, click on done then, and once you want to apply the change, click on save. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.